Hi everyone, this month we'll be working on a melee hit effect. So as you can see here, I've got this character, he's got this 2-hit combo animation, and we're just gonna be adding effects to it. So we're gonna start in Houdini, where we're gonna create a mesh that actually wraps around his fist, and then we're gonna try to create that trail using ribbons, because last year I think we worked on the sword slash and we actually use meshes. So this time I actually want to show you slightly different approach, and we're gonna dive into ribbons and we're gonna try to create that trail using the ribbon trails. In Unity I've got something similar. I've got this golem and I've got the slash. I think the animation are a little bit slower and less snappy than the ones I've got in Unreal Engine. But the idea is the same. So we're gonna use a trail renderer in Unity, and we're just gonna add effects to it as well. And we're gonna use the mesh from Houdini and exactly the same textures from the Substance. Alright, so I hope you're gonna enjoy this one. There are a couple things that we're gonna do in Substance. You can see here I've got a couple textures. And we're also gonna create that mesh in Houdini, and we're just gonna dive in and try to add it to the animation and animate that manually in the graph. Alright, I hope you're gonna enjoy this one. Thank you so much for your support.